Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today's October the 30th, 2020, and we are going to give you all the price prediction for Theta. We are going to let you know what the trap has in store in terms of price movement before it actually gets there, because if you have not realized, that's the only way that you'll be able to grab the bag and take it out the market right before anyone else. We got to get in position. That's our whole purpose. So I'm going to show you on today's video where the trap is hinting at where he's going to lead the market for Theta. Now, before I get into that, if this is your first time watching our video, you guys appreciate the simplicity of our chart, as well as giving you all the heads up as to where the market is headed. Make sure you hit that like button and share the video. Also, subscribe to the channel to make sure that you stay updated on our price predictions and forecasts that we are covering in the cryptocurrency markets. Theta. Before I get started into our prediction, I always go back and reflect on what the performance of the trap has been against our prior forecast. You guys can see right here, last time we did our video in Theta was on October the 8th, 2020. We played some weakness in the market. We told you all that the market in Theta was weak and that we were looking for the trap to lower the price. This is the performance of what he's done since then. It went lower. We played the weakness in the market in Theta. And you guys can see right here from the 8th of October all the way into October the 20th, 12 days is when the market came and ultimately hit that TP area of 13.58% right there. Now, initially, he tried to maintain price, I would say the next 5 days following our video, but he couldn't do it. We were already in position of this market weakness. We saw it in the forefront. So we got in position, played the weakness in the market in Theta, got that ultimate TP out on the 20th, 13.58%. Done. Got out the market, took the bag. So that is over. Now, what the market in Theta, what is it going to do? First thing you want to look at is the market in a trend. So let's follow this line here. Okay. This is the trend into the market in Theta. This is the location to which you would expect us to see some strength coming to the market for this currency. Why? Because this is the trend that the market has been in ever since this market was launched on Binance. Every time we came in and price traded on this ascending line is where the market was able to hold support. Now is that opportunity once again. So we need to pay attention to what's going on in the market for Theta, because if you don't, you'll miss out, or you might get in a position wrong and the market will go against you. So this is the trend. We could utilize this to our benefit, because we know based off prior historical information that every time we came across this line, the market held itself and it was able to move higher from that point. So this is what we need to see once again in order to justify that the market in Theta is a buy, period. So looking at the market right now on the daily time frame, I don't see that occurring. When we look at the market in Theta on the 3-day time frame, I don't see that occurring. Not yet. We need to identify another area of support into the market for Theta when this ascending line breaks to the downside. So where is that location? Is it here around 55 cents? Yes, it is. This is the next area to which we can see the trap come in and support the market. 55 cents. If not that, it's going to be 50. So about 10 cents difference between where we're trading at right now to where the market trap can bring the value of Theta. The only question is this market a buy in Theta? Because we're definitely seeing some hints of weakness in the market for this currency. The strength in Theta, in order for us to really be convinced that the market is strong, was right here at 65 cents. And we're breaking that on this 5-day price bar. We're breaking it right now to the downside. So there's still a little bit more contention and weakness into the market. I'm not saying that the market is all that bearish, but it's weak. Okay, the market has been taking the brunt of a lot of hits and is not willing to take more of it. So it's just going to go the easy way out, which is to the downside right now. It do have a safe haven right there on this ascending line. So we're going to be paying attention to the market trap over the next couple of days in Theta to see if he's going to hold this market on this ascending line. That's it. There's nothing else for us to really see on this price chart to confirm that the trap is going to hold the market at the price level that we're seeing today. It is only this line. We break this line to the downside, then the overall trend into the market in Theta is still in play, which is moving to the downside. That's what's going on right now. Okay, so you're going to see a lot of people speak to you on videos, on articles, when you read articles about Theta, saying that the market right now is a huge opportunity. The price chart is not reflecting that at this time. The only thing would be is when we see strength come into the market on this ascending line. Then that's when the market is a great opportunity. But when I look at these multiple time frames, I don't see that right now. Now you might see something totally different from what we're getting on this forecast. And as always, I want a dialogue. I want you to tell me, why do you think that this market right now in Theta is an opportunity to buy? So with that, go ahead and leave us a comment in the comment section, right? So here we are looking at the 4-hour price bar in Theta, and zooming out, this market in Theta likes to hold support right here. All right, this is where the trap is holding the market. You guys can see right here on this prior area of 4-hour price bars, we came and bounced off 58 cents. Saw the market go higher and we came right back down. We tested it again. Will it hold? When I look at the other time frames, it's not going to hold, not on our forecast. We're not expecting it to hold. But 55 cents, yes. Then 50, like I told you. So those are the two areas that we're going to focus in on our forecast today. And we're going to go ahead and do that right now. All right, we're going to put in the forecast into the market in Theta. Going to play some of this weakness in this market. TP is going to be around 55 cents. In or around 55 cents. I might take it up a little higher, 55 and a half. And that would be about 6.33%. And then, like I said, we could come all the way back down to 50 cents, but that's going to be massively extreme. Overall weakness in the cryptocurrency space. That's the only way that will come to fruition, is to see this market in Theta come all the way down to 50 cents. But that would be about 16% price movement from where we're trading at right now into the market in Theta. So TP in around 55 cents was about 6.33%, ultimately around 50 cents in the long term. Okay, pay attention to this ascending line. We need to see strength coming to the market right now. So like literally in the next 2 or 3 days, we need to see this market hold support. If it does, this forecast is not right. I'm telling you that now. So focus in on this ascending line to see what occurs into the market in Theta, because if strength comes in, which is not now, this market will hold support and we will bounce from this line. But right now, we're being contrarian. We're pushing it the opposite direction and saying that the market will go lower. But you might see something totally different. So now, tell me, what do you see in the market for Theta? Do you see the market holding this ascending line? Do you see the market going lower? Tell me, give me your prediction. And then tell me your TP price. For us, we're going to be in around 55 cents. Questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability and we'll get up again.